Hello, my name is Zoe and I'm the School Support Coordinator with ChatterHigh. Today I'm going to show you how to assign activities on ChatterHigh. So let's get started. First things first, log into your ChatterHigh account. On your classes page, select the class you would like to view and click on View Class Details. By clicking on Edit Student Roster, you'll be able to see all the students that have joined your class, and you can also add students that haven't joined your class yet. You can also assign some activities. To do that, click on the Assignments tab. Here, you can see the daily quiz and all available modules. First, I'll show you how to assign a module. Find the module you would like to assign, and once you've found it, click on the arrow next to the number of modules, click on the ellipses, and click on Assign. Here, select the due date, and when you're ready, click on Submit. This will assign the module to your students. Students will be able to see that they have an assignment and the due date. You can learn more about each activity by clicking on the description. You can always update due dates, and if you are an approved teacher, you can reset the modules if it's not part of an active competition. Now, I will show you how to assign the daily quiz, since it's a little bit different. Go back to the Assignment tab and select the Daily College and Career Quiz, which should be the first one at the top. Again, click on the ellipses and select Assign. Here, you can start by selecting the start date and due date. Then, select if you want the assignment to be based on number of questions answered or answered correctly. For example, I can imagine that I want students to get at least 5 questions correctly each day for a period of 2 months. That means that the target should be 300. In ChatterHigh, 300 is the magic number of questions to answer to get access to all reports. Once that's done, click on Submit. Any activity that you assign has reporting available so that you can monitor your students' progress. If you have any questions about creating a class or would like to become an approved teacher, feel free to reach us at info@chatterhigh.com and we will be happy to help.